Hello, everybody. This is your captain speaking, and we are fixing to take off on our flight of a Falcon. So, first off, as being captains in this process, we are going to have to manage our luggage and we are going to have to manage our passengers. So, first off, to manage our luggage, we are going to be keeping it on the living calendar. So, you're going to click on living calendar. You're going to go to this Flight of a Falcon spreadsheet. Yes, no one wants to do this stuff, but it's required by the state. So this is how we're going to handle it, okay? So every advisory teacher is going to be in charge of their advisory class. And to help students put their luggage into the right spot, we are going to create this document. So I'm math. I'm teaching 10th grade math. I would click on 10th grade down here at the bottom. If you say we got 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, electives, and extracurriculars. Right now, extracurriculars actually has the most activities. And that makes sense because all these competencies are about individual work, about productive collaborator, critical thinker, effective communicator, resilient learner, responsible citizen. All those things work in the electives category, in the extracurricular category. It's the part of us using them in our subject areas where we're going to have to pull and shove some. But we're going to work on that. We're going to get through that. So how this is set up, we've got all these tabs. Like I said, 10th grade, I'm going to go down here to 10th grade, first 9 weeks math. Well, my first 9 weeks, I had a tic-tac-toe board presentation. That was their test. It was a tic-tac-toe board, and built in that, they had to pick 3 activities to solve. So one of the activities was drawing something. The second activity was taking a test. The third activity was making a video presentation that they could show to younger students, explaining how to use the compass and the protractor. Okay? You all are like, why does that matter? But that was something that they could take and use as part of their items to show that they are an EC, which is effective communicator, and an RC, responsible citizen. We tried to make this as simple as possible for teachers. Okay, so you're just going to look if they say, I have nothing for effective communicator. Well, after everyone goes in here and types in whatever, you could go through and say, your first 9 weeks in math, I know you did like some kind of project in Miss Hollinsworth's room. That should count for effective communicator. Go and pull that out and let's see what it looks like. Okay? All you need to do is type your name, type what you've done, little brief description, so that when you say the description, the kids can get an idea of what's happening. And click on the competencies you think. Now, some things include all competencies. Under the electives and extracurriculars, you can see this creating a haunted house and working the haunted house. That included all competencies depending on what project they were working on. Homecoming floats and creations. All of that could be anything through here. Okay? Door decorations, trunk or treats. All of those things can include in this stuff. If you go to electives and you go down through here, all of the electives are in here. If you've noticed, me and Mr. Thompson are the ones that created this spreadsheet, so that's why our stuff's in here first. But you're going to add something in here. We're in the second 9 weeks now. Add something in. The best part about this is you can only click on things that are your area. So English department, you can only enter stuff in the English department area. You can't go through and switch up math, science, social studies, okay? If you scroll over, you see first, second, if you scroll over, that's the third and fourth 9 weeks, okay? So you're just going to add things in there. If you are at a point and you cannot access something, please let me or Mr. Thompson know, and we will help you unlock this stuff for you. Okay? That was about as clear as mud. But if you have problems, let me know. Okay? This is our end of our flight. How do I stop this?
That Chromebook was acting up or something.
And here's your note.
I had to go to Miss Young's and do that test too.
Did you finish that test?
I'm at 100.
Good job.
And then
Where's my video?
And then I got more bonus points from getting in front of